This video gonna show you how to program a spell key for Jaguar and the Land Rover. The operation of Add Key and AKL loss is the same. You can click Help to check connection information. Normally, Land Rover's KVM module is on the left side or the right side of the vehicle trunk. Jaguar's KVM is on the right side of the rear seat or in the front of passenger seat. Now let's check all the stuff we need. Install the copper pillar. Align D1 to D4 test points. As long as the 4 test points are aligned, then all the test points are aligned. Lock the ball with PCB lock and the copper pillar. Connect obdii365 adapter and the KVM interface board. Then connect the adapter and the ACDP host. Power ACDP host. Open Mini ACDP app. Choose Jaguar and Land Rover. ICP Add Key or Key Lost 2015. Choose KVM ICP. Choose Add Key Auto Mode. Please read the prompts and follow the instruction. Pin detection passed. If the detection fails, please check and claim the test points. Click Continue. Please note that the file name contains the operation date and the PFLA. Please note that the file name contains the operation date and the EEP. Please note that the file name contains the operation date and the DFLA. Check the VIN number and other vehicle information. Connect ACDP host and the VIN key adapter. Put the new key in the VIN adapter. Make sure that the edge of the key is aligned with the edge of the adapter. Check the new key ID. Choose the unoccupied key ID display as 000. Please note that the file name contains the operation date and the A key EEP. Please note that the file name contains the operation date and the A key DFLA. Disconnect VIN key adapter. Connect obdii365 adapter and the ACDP host again. Pin detection passed. Click Continue. Check the MMO information. As you can see, the new key ID is in the key list. Add the new key complete. Put the KVM module back to the vehicle and make sure that the new key can be used normally. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.